cow. That thing is freaking huge. There we go. Oh, drop. Oh my gosh. Yes, got one. What's up, YouTube? I'm back on the Des Plaines River today, and I'm at a new section that I never fished before. So I'm launching the kayak here and getting out there. Water's pretty dirty today. Probably just sit and fish today. Haven't done that in a while, so might as well see if we can catch anything. I'm gonna work about 2 miles of river. So I'm going to try the new pattern. Well, it's very similar to the other one. It just has dirty orange belly rather than like the other one has like brown. This giant eddy here looks really good too, so we're gonna give it a couple casts here next. Let's see if we got anything here. Shallow, but just never know. Oh wow, now something really nice moved out of here. I think I went in too far. Gone in too far, guys, and I spooked it. What the heck was it? I don't know. Maybe it was a rat eater. What the heck is that? Oh, that was a freaking fish there. Oh, maybe not. We're gonna find out right now, though, if it was or if it wasn't. If it was a fish, it wasn't a pike, that's for sure. The pike would hammer that thing. Some fish running from it. Starting to think it was a fish now. Yes, got one. Awesome. It's a little bass. Freaking hammered fly. Really cool. Looks like a smallmouth. Is it, or a largemouth? Not sure, but I want to land this guy. I got him on a stinger hook. First fish of the day. Nice largemouth. And you can see the bass is not much bigger than the rat. Let this guy go. See ya, buddy. I'm gonna try this side now. That side is really mucky and muddy. This looks like there's more vegetation, more green vegetation. We should create more cool pockets with these lily pads. And maybe I'll catch some fish here. I don't know. We'll see over here if we got anything. Got an airplane over there. There we go. That's probably a bass. Man, that's a little bass, a little hungry bastard. Yep, it sure is. Come here, buddy. Fish number 2. Smallmouth. Don't hook me, baby. On the stinger hook also. Where's my plier? Largemouth. Looks like a smallmouth, but it's a largemouth. Come on, buddy. Just trying to save you here. Don't worry. There you go. Oh, drop the pliers, and that's why it's good to have them hooked up. First time I dropped it. Bass number 2, nice largemouth. So let's let him go. See ya. Wow, first cast along this shoreline. Wow, huge beaver. Holy cow. That thing is freaking huge. Man, I don't think that's a beaver. I think that's a deer swimming across. Let's see. Oh my God. Holy cow. That is the biggest beaver I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Hoping for one last bass or pike here. Pike would be nice, but another bass would also be nice.